there, Didgeridoo people! My name is Lies Beierink. I'm a professional Didgeridoo player from the Netherlands since 2000. And my nickname is Didge Mama. Didge Mama because I love teaching people. And a lot of my sons and daughters are amazing players, and I want you to become an amazing player too. So let me know if you want to become one. Just started, then this is the tutorial you want to follow. Yeah, I just thought I should make a tutorial, so here I am. Well, first thing first, we have to work on the bass. And the bass needs to be solid, so we can build from there and fly. Fly with the didgeridoo. Didgeridoo is actually the best drug there is. Ask any Didge player. So I hope you're going to be a didgeridoo junkie like me and many others. And let's look at the first thing. First things first, the lips. The lips are creating the note, so that need to be solid. I want you to see the lips as two elastic bands that you can make tighter and less tight from the sides of your lips. So the corners of your lips. You can make tension. It's like a sarcastic smile. So sarcastic smile, and then your lips need to flap. I don't know if that's a word, but forgive me, I'm Dutch, so flapping. If I do, costs a lot of air, and I can make the same speed of flapping with it's actually the same note, but of course costs a lot more air than. So we want to go make the lips perfect, and I have a nice exercise for you this week, and you can do it without the didgeridoo, and that's this one. We're gonna go from a slow, beautiful Volvo, for instance, if you're a guy, to a small Ferrari. And the in between is the most important. So we're gonna go from you can see, you saw that I actually was losing the flapping or the vibration at one point, and that's because my lips weren't doing perfect work. For instance, there was a moment probably that my bottom lip wasn't supporting my top lip perfectly, so that meant that it became so that means that I have to push the bottom elastic a bit more to the top elastic, or there's another possibility is that my top lip was too far out, or my bottom lip was too far out. So I'm gonna try to show you from the side. So So you probably saw something, and I was spitting and making funny faces. All good. Funny faces are a good thing to do. Okay, so this is your exercise, and like I said, you can do it without the didgeridoo. Now I'm gonna take you over to a didgeridoo of mine. Here we are. If you're an absolute beginner, I want you to play right in front, in the middle. You see a lot of players playing from the sides. Don't do it. Even if you just started playing on the side, please switch, because it doesn't really make sense to talk like this or to play like this. Because that's what it's gonna be like. You know, you're gonna move your tongue differently, your jaw doesn't have a lot of mobility, your cheeks also. So we want in front. Now, I was playing a note. We have to find the right lip speed with the least amount of air. low. And this I can make with my lips. This is actually the right speed of lips, the right vibration, the right tension to make the note. So I can do it inside and outside. Well, inside is easier, but it's a nice exercise to be able to do it outside. This is your exercise, so I hope you can make it. If not, you can always write a comment. Hey, Lies, I'm not making it. Can you please help me? And I'm here to help. So this week, lips. Next week, we're gonna look at the tongue. Tongue is also super duper important to play didgeridoo and circular breathing and make sounds and everything. But first I want you to make sure your lips are perfect. Not too much air and the right note. So if your tone sounds like... my lips are now too slow. And so I need to go from... a little bit higher, or your note might sound like, or even, then your lips are too tight and the pressure is too big, so you have to go down with the tension and the speed. So we have to find the right speed, the right tension to make the perfect note. But exercise 1, lips. Need to be super strong, and then from there we can move on into all the fun stuff. Goodbye for now and see you next week. Bye bye, Didge brothers, sisters, sons and daughters.